Hi everyone. Heads of state and business leaders can take this S-Class slogan literally when they entrust their lives to the new special protection version of the luxury model. Because the new S680 Guard 4MATIC meets the highest ballistic test level for civilian vehicles and, moreover, is particularly resistant to explosive charges. The certification by the BSTUSMDL, Ballistic Testing Authority, was carried out for the first time using so-called biofidelic dummies. These test dummies imitate the human body particularly realistically with bone and soft tissue-like structures. The S680 Guard 4MATIC is the first guard saloon from Mercedes-Benz with all-wheel drive and is powered by the familiar V12 M279, with 450 kilowatts/612 horsepower. The base price is $528,900 plus value-added tax. The S680 Guard 4MATIC is one of the most customer-oriented products from Mercedes-Benz. That is because this special protection model focuses on people and their safety, says Dirk Fetzer, head of product management S-Class. No other series-produced saloon offers the highest protection class for civilian vehicles quite as comprehensively. And at the same time, quality and durability are on par with the series standard, thanks to extensive development and testing activities. The new special protection version protects what matters. Mercedes-Benz has been building special protection vehicles since 1928 and thus for over 90 years. Customers of the new S680 Guard 4MATIC benefit from these many years of experience. The Integrated Protection System, ISS, reaches a new level, whereas the necessary protective materials were previously integrated into the standard body shell structure for the Guard saloons. A Guard-specific body shell of protective elements has now been developed. This self-supporting protective cell represents the core of the ISS. Ultimately, the aluminium outer skin serves as a design cover and ensures an inconspicuous appearance. In addition to the armoring, the ISS includes the adaptation of the suspension, engine and transmission to ensure handling that is virtually on a par with that of the production vehicle. Due to a parallel development process alongside the large-scale production models, the longevity of the Guard vehicles also reaches series production level. In addition to the unseen armoring elements, the transparent area of the windows is an integral and essential part of the protection concept. The material and thickness of the multi-layered glass sandwich meet the high requirements of the VR10 safety classification. The inner surfaces of the glass are coated with polycarbonate for splinter protection. Despite their comprehensive protective effect, they offer excellent visibility. And they have been integrated in such a way that they are not noticeable at first glance, another significant advantage of the integrated protection system. The interior space also benefits from the elaborate ISS concept, as the comfort dimensions largely correspond to those of the long S-Class. As with the production model, it was possible to keep the panel gaps in the body shell to a minimum, so fulfilling the seamless claim of the sensual purity design philosophy. And when it comes to comfort and appointments, the 4- and 5-seater versions can both hold their own with their sister models. More than 80 customization options are available for the S-Class, from active ambient lighting and a media display featuring OLED technology to a first-class rear suite and rear airbag. There are almost no restrictions on trim and color combinations. However, optional extras that contradict the protective purpose, such as a sliding sunroof, are not available. The S680 Guard 4MATIC celebrated its world premiere at the IAA in Munich. After watching the video, please let us know in the comments section below how much you liked the video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not, and activate the notification bell so that you receive all our videos. Anyway, have a nice day and see you in the next video. Thank you.